Hey everybody, it's a quick little stock market update, but actually just a stock that I'm talking about. I just happened to see this one cross my screener, and I want to point it out to you. It's called PACS Group. PACS is the symbol. It's a medical long-term care company, and the group is doing really well. And you know, about 32% of a stock's performance comes from the performance of the group or its sector. So this one's in a good sector, so that helps. It's also an IPO, initial public offering, so it's come public. And it's interesting. Let's take a look over at the fundamentals first. So it's gone from 2021 making 32 cents a share to $1.02 in 2022 to 76 cents in 2023. So it's had a little bit of a pullback, but you know, if you blend that all together, I think it looks pretty good. From 32 cents to 76 cents at a minimum, that's pretty good. Now, we don't have projected earnings on this because it's such a new stock. It's an IPO base. So IPO bases, if you know them, what happens is they break out sometimes, and then the insiders sell the company off, and then you have to kind of wait for a little lull to have it happen. But an IPO base, when it breaks out from that, is often a good time to get in, because if they don't do the sell-off until much later, you get a good chance to get in basically at the IPO price. So let's take a look at this. So this is the weekly, and you can see it's doing pretty well. It's got a 69 relative strength rating, which means it's performing better than 68% of all the other stocks in the database. And here's the daily chart on it. You can see there's a lot of buying going on, right? There's a lot of blue bars. There's some red ones, and that one in the middle there is, you know, on high volume is pretty scary. This does do 1.2 million shares a day, so it passes my million share barrier. I just look at it, it went public at 21, it's now at 25. And if it breaks away from this 25 area, which is its most recent daily high, which was like a week ago or so, this stock could run up a bit further. So, I mean, I think I'm looking at maybe 28 or 29 as an initial run up, and then maybe a consolidation, as sometimes these happen. So, wanted to alert you to that, and if you like to get these alerts in your inbox together with my market updates, when I tell you if the market's red, green, or yellow, and you should be buying things or selling them, or what sectors are hot, what sectors are not, you know, short lists, things like that. Sign up to my newsletter called Insider Tips. You can go to cashflowmachine.io/tips. Now, the link is in the description below if you're here on YouTube. And by the way, since you're here, might as well like and subscribe and do all that kind of stuff so that you can help the algorithm and help me, you know, get this out to more people. Plus, it also gets to you if you hit the notification bell as soon as it comes out. So, PACS, PACS, keep an eye on it. Research it, maybe get involved with it. It's up to you, but I wanted to bring it to your attention. Have a great day. Talk to you later.